It is time to plan week 30 in my Laurel Denise Kristy. This week I am keeping with the Planner Kate stickers for the week. So we've got navy blue, like that, like this right here. And I was going through all my Happy Planner sticker books and I found this one. I don't know if you can see that. It's like yellow and blue, and it's actually a Tuscan table sticker book. So I think it's more about food planning and meal planning than I don't know, than planning, let's just say. But I love some of the stickers in here, the decorative stickers. So I think we're gonna make it an Italian Tuscan planner week. I think it's gonna be really fun and really pretty. So let's turn this around. Let's start planning. Let's get my week set up because I want to put everything in it so that I'm organized for the week. Here is the booklet that I want to use, Tuscan Table. And again, this is a close-up of the weekly stickers. And I'm using the Laurel Denise Scout Weekly Small because I like how these are lining up. This was a test and they are working out really well. So this is blank week 30. This is a look back at last week. And you can see how there's room, even with the washi, they kind of line up there, but there's a little space in between. And then you can see this week, and I believe we have one more week with them here, yes. So that is kind of a quick flip back at what July has been looking like. And these are all working out really well. And having this, I didn't even use this yet, but there's still time. And then this is the upcoming week 30. And I'm really excited about this sticker set. I didn't realize it was really meal planning, but it does look like it because it says, love this, so good, tasty, delicious, but they're kind of fun, and I'm a blue girl, so this is just awesome. And then if we flip through, we've got these washies, which I think I'm going to use. Love the lemons. Here, what does this say on it? It says, life isn't perfect, but it has perfect moments. Make time to enjoy all the simple things life has to offer. Spread some happy today. So these are awesome. I want to use these in this week's. And then what else? Ooh, see, this is another reason. We've got the limoncello and the bowl of lemons. We've got pizza, croissants. So it's really like a foodie one. I love this. I want to bring some of these in here. Color me happy, enjoy the simple things. So that's going to be the sort of theme. Oh my goodness, don't you love all these? So I want to incorporate these. I have not gotten a whiteout. Oh, this is what I was thinking. See, it says breakfast, lunch, dinner right there, which is kind of fun if you're meal planning. We've got date nights, take off the day, meatless, barbecue, low-cal, quick. So this is definitely like recipe stuff. These are fun. Food review. So these are awesome if you were doing, it's a whole page of food review stickers with little stars. You see that? Then we've got tabs, then take notes. Oh, maybe I'll use this one for this week. And then we've got these grocery lists. So these are all grocery lists. And so those would be fun to put in a planner somewhere. Shopping list, these notes, recipe looking cards today, don't forget. This one's good. There's a lot of really good ones. So yeah, that is important. This is a look at this. So that's everything in this planner. So let's start by getting the structure, at least this in, and the washi here, and then we'll decorate and see what happens. So let's do this. That is a final look at, I think, as much decoration as I'm gonna do. I should have put this longer one down first, but that's okay. It's just over this sticker, which is totally fine. I really like the clear ones, and I gravitate to those more. I really do like these clear ones. And this little, don't forget, this little window. I love this blue tile. I really need to use these more and really keep notes. I did that last week. I did add some things, or this week I should say. And I'm loving how this is turning out. I'm getting braver putting things down. I don't know if braver is the right word, but I'm throwing caution to the wind and I'm adding bigger things into the calendar, into this format. I'm not using as much of these things as I should, but I am getting more decor. So I'm kind of loving this, and I love challenging myself to get a different book out every week and use these stickers because they're fun. And every week has been so different. So this is such a pretty one, and I'm really excited about it. I love this lemon, the blue and white, and I can't wait to dive into it next week. This is so fun. I say that every week, right? I think that's what I've been saying every week. But this is really fun. It's so me. I am a blue girl through and through, and with the lemons, and it just says, yes, Tuscany summer. And who doesn't want to be lying in the sun, having limoncellos, and pasta, and yummy food in Italy? This is just so pretty. Love the colors. I'm going to fill in what things I have for next week later. But just having it set up makes me feel so good. I am getting a little better at putting things down, not thinking too hard about it. I can write around them. And I think having more decoration, filling in the space, works for me. It really does. So what are you using this week? What stickers are you loving? What process? I am really thinking about the disc system, I have to say. I like the idea of putting different pages in and out. I don't know how I would use it. It's probably going to be too overcomplicate things for me if I added another planner into the mix, because I really can only handle this on a day-to-day basis. The small rows, I got it wrong last week, is, I don't know why I kept wanting to call it the Scout. I don't know what was on my brain, but it was the rows. I only use that for my trips and things that are coming up, and I kind of like that is what it's for. The dated one I put away, not using it. It just was too many things. So I probably will, I'm second guessing myself on this new disc planner that Laurel Denise has, but I think it's fascinating. I like the idea that you can mix and match and add different pages and really make it your own. So I am really thinking it's a cool idea. It may not be the right thing for me. So that's all I've got today for week 30. I am just enjoying the process, enjoying my weekly sit down. It is such a nice time for me to think about the week ahead, fill in the things that I may have missed the week before, the current week I'm in, and then I have this memory of everything we're doing. For instance, we cleaned the ice maker yesterday, and that's in my planner. So my husband's like, when do we do it? And I can go look it up and find it. So those are the kind of things that I'm really loving for this. And just flipping through and seeing every week and how it changes is really just fun. It's really fun. I did notice when I was doing my weekly days, I must have used these 3 numbers another week. I must have used them somewhere. And oh, I must have used them the first week. Yes, I did, the first week in July. So hopefully whatever I got for, well, I know I have extra dot circles, so I should be fine. But I did notice that, so I need to make a note for, it's next week is gonna be the first week in August. How is that even possible? Oh my God, it's crazy. Anyway, 2 weeks, I mean, not this, you know what I mean. Because we just, next Sunday is the 26th, so, or this Sunday is the 26th of August. And then the 1st, which is the 1st? The 1st is a Saturday. So yeah, a week from Saturday is the 1st of August. This year is flying by. It's unbelievable. Anyway, thank you. I'm not gonna just keep chatting to chat, although I do like to chat. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any thoughts, questions, if you're using anything that you love, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes. If you like Disney content, I just posted a big video of our trip to Disney in June. It's a long one. It's what is it? It's 2 kind of half days and a full day, so not really 3 days, but I didn't know how to chop it down, so it is a little bit longer. And then beauty and all the other things. So there's tons of content here, but if you're just here for planning, I am so happy you're here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back to do week 31. So I'll see you then.